Hi, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a minute to walk you around this 2015 65 reg Fiat Doblo 1.4 petrol wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. So this car's done 24,800 miles from new. It's a one owner car, ex-Mobility, so it comes with a full service history. It was converted by Gowrings Mobility and offers 3 seats plus space for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. So as you see, 2 seats in the front, 1 chair in the rear. Obviously space for the wheelchair mobility scooter. Length on these, about 150 centimetres in length. I think maximum width about 85 centimetres, which narrows down to about 75 centimetres alongside the rear seat. Comes with privacy glass, so it helps keep it a bit more private, a little bit cooler in the summer months. Your 3rd chair there in the rear. I'll show you the front. Again, as you'd expect, it's all nice and clean and tidy. So this is the newer Shape Doblo. It's got all the new bumpers and lights, so they do look a lot smarter. Comes with front fog lights there as well. Just take you around and show you the driver's side. So you've got electric windows there. That's all your radio, CD player, air conditioning, 5-speed manual transmission. It's also got a driver's armrest and height adjustable driver's seat. So there you have it. If that's of interest or you've got any more questions about the car, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.